If their speeds differ by 80 miles per hour and they pass each other after 4 hours, what is the speed of a faster plane? For speed problem, always start with this table. The question is, what is the speed of the faster plane? If we let A is the faster plane, the speed of the faster plane, let that be x. Then, since their speeds differ by 80 miles per hour, speed of a slower plane will be x minus 80. And they pass each other after 4 hours, so the time they fly is 4 hours each. Now, since speed is distance over time, we know that distance is speed times time. So distance is speed times time, 4x, 4 times x minus 80. And sum of the distances two plane travel will be 1860. And if we solve this equation, we have x is equal to 272.5.